Hi, I'm Jaime. I'm a founding partner of PRTS, a Mexico City-based parametric design firm. And this course is going to be about developing a tool that will let us take a very basic plan sketch drawn in Rhino and analyze it in Grasshopper so we can look at really useful information like areas that we're drawing in real time. It's going to be able to detect what program we're assigning to each area. It's going to be able to add all of that program up through the entire building and develop an Excel sheet that's telling us exactly what the totals are. And it's also going to take that basic sketch and it's going to make wall polylines out of it. And so what it is basically a way to take a really rough and quick and intuitive way of drawing and make it into something that can be analyzed and then developed further in CAD.